Howard, what's going on, man? Going to shoot you another quick guitar lesson. Take a look at the form that I sent you though. It's got all the notes on the fretboard. I know you've already learned your open string names, but next you want to go ahead and learn those note names on the 3rd fret. It's real simple. Look at the form, but they are G, C, F, A sharp, could also be called B flat, D, and G. Just quiz yourself like 3 notes at a time there on the 3rd fret and you'll know them right away. It won't be hard. We need to know our notes on the fretboard so we can move on with this journey of music theory and learning to play guitar. It's very helpful. But if you knew all the theory in the world, it's useless without some technique. So we're moving on to that technique portion of the lesson now. Okay, this is the simple exercise that I'm going to show you. It works like this. It's a convenient, easy little box that you can get a really good picking warm-up with, and later we'll use it to jam all over the fretboard, this easy little box. So turn your metronome on. This is 120, and just play the 5th fret of the D string and then the 7th fret. Then you move to the G string and you play the 5th fret and then the 7th fret. So it works like this. I'm doing downstrokes right now, and that's fine to start out. Downstrokes, that's fine. Doing quarter notes, 1 per click, and downstrokes. But soon you want to change this to 8th notes by counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's when you can start moving your pick down up. So work on that down up motion. You may start a little slower than this, but I'll just show it at 120. Down up, down up. Even if you need to start it at 40 or 60, wherever's comfortable for you. Here's 51 beats per minute. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. If you'll spend a few minutes a day playing this properly, now you take whatever time necessary to learn to do it the first time, whatever it takes, learn to do it properly, but then spend a minute or 2 a day just doing this exercise correctly. It's going to help your pick get really warmed up. It's going to give you a convenient box that you can make a lot of music with. So anyway, I'll be seeing you soon, Howard. Thanks a lot, man. I hope that helps you. Make sure you take a look at that form with all the notes on the fretboard and just post that thing on your wall and start memorizing the notes on the 3rd fret, and then we'll move on, okay? Have fun with that technique builder, and we'll see you.